Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a very short video on a project that will show you the difference between negative painting and direct painting, sometimes also called positive painting. So, direct painting, as the name suggests, you paint the object. So I'm gonna add a little color here. And we are going to paint this chair directly. And I'm putting color on the object. That's mostly how we usually paint things in general. I'm not too worried about making these lines. And as you see, I am painting only the chair, right? And I'm going to proceed. I'm going to make this area a little lighter. Always have your paper towel ready in case you want to lift. I intentionally rotate the paper so it's easier for me to make straight lines in a certain direction. It's always easier to make a straight line vertically than horizontally. And in case you put a little too much, just lift it. And now, what I'm going to do that usually makes your painting very interesting is to transition for negative painting. And this is negative painting is very useful when you are painting night scenes or you're painting objects that are under bright light. Because now, instead of painting the object, you're going to be painting around the object. Don't forget to soften the edges. Start putting water far away and just gently bring it. And you usually don't need to do anything else because the water, the pigment will migrate into the water. And you start constructing a shape by leaving unpainted. Remember that this value needs to match with this value. Every time you have an object, it can be a mountain, it can be a chair, it can be anything. If you have a background color, the background color needs to remain in the same value when it passes behind an object. And that's a little bit of transition here between direct paint and negative painting. You may want to continue here. And you always have a choice to put a background if you want right here. This might be necessary because I want to call attention to this leg that I left. And right here, when I joining the negative painting with the direct painting, oh, I got some blue on my brush somehow. Don't panic, just lift gently. And that's it. And you continue constructing your negative painting. Make sure you leave all the borders, edges very soft so you can come back easily. And instead of painting the chair, again I'm painting the space in between. And when you're doing a larger piece, I lost a little bit here. I don't even know if you can see on the video, but gently make the transition at certain point here that and why is this important? Well, it's a tool like everything we are learning in these demonstrations that I hope you're trying at home for your entertainment. And I hope you're trying to do those exercises at home and paint along. And all these things that we are learning, they make your painting more interesting. You add different techniques to it. So here it is your chair. I can put a little more values on this leg. I think it was a little too light. I want to create a little more sense. And if it's the pigment is going somewhere you don't like it, take it off. Take it off before it goes too far. And there you have it, a very, very simple project that I think it illustrates well the direct painting and the negative painting. Direct painting, you apply the paint directly on the shape you want to show. In negative painting, you apply the paint around the object that you want to show. You create a illusion that the object is here. And if you want to create other things inside this is a little wet, if you want to create objects inside your background, you just come back there. And for instance, is the little wet. Let's see if it's going to work. If you want to create, for instance, a circle here, I don't know, maybe it's a wallpaper behind the chair. I don't know. You come gently and you can add other elements. Well, it's always your painting. You can invent a lot of things. And add things to your painting, shapes and values. Here is a little too wet. Just doing negative painting. So it's very versatile. You could also do a direct painting here and make a little circle. Maybe, yeah, this is too wet. You make a little circle with a direct painting. So the possibilities are limitless. You can be doing whatever you want on your painting as long as you like. And if you don't like, you come and ta-da, erase it. When you erase something, just make sure that you blend well with the rest of the painting. And that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to show you. Is a negative technique, negative painting technique, and I hope you use on your paintings. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.